I love God because everything I deserve nothing, He gives me everything. Now, my dear friends, I read this because I know that in all my ways of living, I cannot live without God. Because knowing that God is really good to me, He really loves me. For everything that I read, I was able to receive. So, my dear friends, there is nothing impossible in the hands of the Lord as long as you really put your faith in God. That prayers will always be habit every morning and every night. Never forget that God is always with you. For this is a very true experience in my life that all I have asked from the Lord since I started knowing the value of life, God has given me all the answers. Thank you, my dear friend.